Hello, my beautiful people. You're welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you how I refresh my old cornrows and how I did it in a very short space of time. So without wasting much of our time, we're going to jump right into the video. For this tutorial, I will be using my favorite hair conditioner plus Soulmate, yes. And then I'm going to start by taking down the old braids one after the other. Like I said, I was working with time. It was night already and I needed to go for classes the next morning. So I gently take them down by applying my hair conditioner first. Then I took them down with my fingers and the tail of a rat's tail comb. And then I gently detangle the hair. As you can see, the hair is free. It is doesn't has a lot of tangle to it. That is because I am using my fingers to detangle. And before then, I wet my hair. When I took my bath, I just wet the hair and it's more easier to manage. Then I'm taking them down as gently as I go, detangling as I go with my fingers. Yes, this method, a lot of persons use their comb to detangle, but I found that method really stressful because after that, I feel a lot of headaches and a lot of hair breakage. So using your fingers first to detangle helps to minimize that, and then using a very wide tooth comb to detangle helps a lot. So like I said, I'm going to refresh it one after the other. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use this opportunity to show you how to make your own cornrows, and I mean on your own hair. So starting from the point, I just combing them out once more to make sure that the hair is free from tangles, and then I would start by brushing it from the front, and then I am just going to position my hand. What I do, because it is my hand, I won't position this hand all through the hair. Just at the beginning, I just sectioned the first part of the hair, and my hands that are aligned, I slowly took little segments of the hair and braided it down. I'm going to show you the full process in a few minutes. So I took them in little chunks. I keep on emphasizing, if you want your cornrows to be tight and neat, you need to take your cornrows in little chunks. There is no need to hurry. Consistency helps a lot. So you start the hair little by little. Make sure you can feel all through the hair. Make sure you're not taking more than your fingers are supposed to take, and then you slowly braid them down. I'm just going to show you this first part first, and then in subsequent cornrows, I'm going to show you the proper way to twist it. So as you can see, I took them gently, and because the hair is kind of full, I had to make it more tighter than usual. As you can see, it's different from the old one I did, which was way bigger. So I had to make it tighter, and I took it in little chunks all through, guys. As I kept making this corner, I keep praying that I would be able to finish it that night because I was already feeling sleepy and I was tired from the day's work. So I did one, then I went on to do some other arrangements, then I continued with the hair. So for my DIY cornrows, I don't like the back of my hair to be too tight because when it's too tight, I find it difficult to bend my head and I find it difficult to stay comfortably. So as you can see, the back is a little loose. Yes, it's a little loose, and then I braided it down midway, then I twisted the end because I find it hard to unbraid my hair, especially at the ends, and I don't want to put more stress on the ends of the hair, so I just twisted them down. and I'm done with it. Oh, I don't think I didn't position this camera well. I would have shown you. Let me go back a little, and okay, I hope you have seen it. And then I moved straight into the second. I quickly took it down. I detangled with my hand after applying my hair conditioner and massage it in between, especially because I need to replenish the nutrient that's been lost. Yeah, so I just rub it in, massage this from the scalp to the ends of the hair, and then I parted it. I comb them out from the tip, from the ends, guys. Please, whenever you are combing your hair, especially freshly loose hair, start from the ends, because there are lots of tangles at that end, and when starting from the very beginning, you could cause breakage to your hair. So I did just that with the big with the white tooth comb. And then you know what, I'm just going to rush through this second one, and then I'm going to move over to the third. Okay, now that we are done with that, we are going to start with the main tutorial. So I just loose this, and I'm going to start this cornrow. As you can see, I am using my fingers to divide the hair into three sections. Then I took the first section to the right, directly over the other section. Then move in between, just like that. You continue to take them in little chunks. You move them slowly, left, right, left, right, slowly as you go. Practice makes perfect. If you keep practicing on yourself every week or every 2 weeks, you get it one time. So you keep moving slowly, left and right. Once you've gotten the hang of it, it's going to become more easier. You know, most persons, when they see me making my hair by myself, or someone else is doing theirs on their own, they think it's something that is very difficult to do, but it isn't. It isn't. It's even more easier because you could feel your hair. You know if it is painful, if it is not painful. You could gently feel and know that you're taking the hair in little chunks, and then you're tightening. I think the main issue here in cornrowing your hair is parting your hair. Yes, parting your hair. Maybe if you want me to create another video on how to part your hair for cornrows, for twists, please let me know in the comment section below, and I would try to make one for you soonest. So apart from the patterns, making your own hair yourself is as easy as taking candy from a baby. Okay, I've not really tried that, but yes, it's very easy. So you just need to practice. Don't have that mindset that it is very difficult and you might end up doing rubbish. Yes, at first it's normal, but as you go ahead, it's going to be easy. At first you could use your mirror, but here I am not using my mirror. I'm just using my camera as I go through to just view. And then towards the back, I loosened my hand, then twisted it. But I brought it over to the front because, as you know, I can't move over. I can't stretch my hands to the back. And then I twisted the ends as normal. So I'm just going to show you and how I made the others. So sit tight and go through the process with me, and maybe along the way you might learn another thing or two. Just let me know what you think in the comment section below. Yes, and I'm on the last cornrow. If you find this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll keep creating more videos on hair tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You can check out my other videos in my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, love you, bye.